Hello YouTube, this is Vacuum Man 8 today, and today we're at the Gull garage. We're going to be using this vacuum to vacuum the car out with. The token costs £2 from a cashier. We've just anti-back wiped the hose off. I'm just going to give this one, what do you reckon? It's a pneumatic, didn't you?
Yeah, I reckon it is.
Well, let's fire this one up.
Is that really big?
That's like a twin motor, isn't it? Sounds like a twin motor. Such a light.
Pretty good.
The garage is pretty busy today, so we're just going to do this one pretty quick.
It sounds like an old pneumatic. It sounds like one of those Henry.
Oh yeah, iPad, yeah. So I've just come back from the tip as well. So we've got, so the car is a little bit dirty.
Wait, it sounds like an old pneumatic. This is what I'm like. I'm probably going to use this one not, because it sounds like an old pneumatic.
Oh, there's my batteries, look.
It's a number too.
Well, it'd be there a week, I have.
It is a twin motor one too.
Should have brought some tools down with us, shouldn't we? Just bought some deck cleaning today.
It sounds like old pneumatic. Yeah, it's twin motor one.
Sounds like a twin motor, doesn't it?
When are you going to use it? I don't want to go to the... Yeah, it's a pneumatic, it's a fucking pneumatic, it's a pneumatic, it's a pneumatic.
So it's a pneumatic, I mean, it sounds like a twin motor, doesn't it? Yeah, I've just gone down the tip, I've just got rid of some old furniture today.
It's pneumatic.
So,
Then because you want to use the pneumatic one.
yeah, because it's got the pneumatic cuff on it, look. So I think this is actually the first pneumatic we've actually used at a petrol station, actually. Gull stations are quite rare now. You don't see too many of these. This one's been here for years. Oh, I would, and all sorts of nasties in the back of this as well.
That's pretty cool.
So it's been about 3 minutes now. So it's £2 for 3 minutes at the moment. Right, we're getting the driver's side here. Not a lot of room in this petrol station. Got pretty good suction on it. So we've got plenty of vacuums at home to use, but it is nice to use a car vac. I mean, later on, you can't beat like a Henry or a tub vac for cleaning your car. Still prefer George's favourite, I think. George or Charles is the favourite. George is good because you can vacuum and wash your seats out if you've got fabric. There's no air pressure on this one, it's just a basic vacuum. Yeah. That'll be one of them big ones, won't it? That'll be like an NV 900 or something. I think the 900 size one. But yeah, it's definitely a pneumatic in it. Yeah, well, if we use this one again, we'll take some tools with us. Take turbo tools and stuff. It was either £2 or £3 up. I think it was £2. It's lasting a very long time for £2, I must admit. As well, not everybody can use a vacuum plugged in from where they live. If they live in like a car park, if they've got like a parking bays and that, you can't always get to them, so these are always handy to have. No. We're up to 6 minutes at the moment. So I think it must be about 10 minutes this would. So like I say, we come up from Bristol last week, so we had our first Burger King. Can't get Burger King in it where we live yet at the moment. Nice treat. So we've had no passengers in it.
Got a horrible wind down.
Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty good. That was about 8 minutes, I think, for £2. Good value. And it's from LaserJet Limited. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Vacuum Man 8 and see you again on the next car vacuum petrol station vacuum video. Bye.